Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fishing Grubs. We are out here on the Gypsea, and today we're going to be doing some striper fishing. The bite's been all right, some days a lot better than others, and it's really been small windows of opportunity where we have like 5-6 guys on at once. So it goes from not catching any fish to mass mayhem all at once. But yeah, we're going to see what we can do here today. We got a lot of awesome dudes and gals on the boat. So I think we're gonna be able to put something together. Let's get it.
Pound out. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
LFG, Josh.
Let's go. FTA.
Yay.
Nice.
Oh, it's Mike.
Just cooked the food. Oh, we got a fighter.
Oh, ready. Pull and drag.
Hey, you're on the one side of the boat. Yo, you just cooked the food.
Slack off, Ben. Slack off, slack off, slack off. Oh, we're just trying to get out of the way. Vinny, keep it slack. Thank you, Ben.
37 incher. Let's go! LFG! Nice.
Nice fish.
Nice fish. Don't rush it, don't rush it. Nice fish. Like I said, 37 incher.
Beauty, 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 beauty. All right, let's go. Quick, quick, quick. Here, I got this. Nice friggin' fish, Daddy. Nice fish. Right off the back here. Hold on. That's a fish. Fish on, let's go! That's a nice one.
LFG. Yeah, we're about to be doubled up on board.
That's a blackfish. How's it feel?
Aiko.
That's a fish.
I think I'm tangling it.
If you guys feel his line, please slack it off. Or just reel up
Blue line?
before he gets you. Nice.
Tony, don't pull on it.
Yep,
Jess,
you're right there,
slack it
Jess.
off.
You're in it.
There's a magic rod today. Can you pull her line up or no?
No, just keep
Are you
reeling.
recording little Jay without his shirt off and tattoo out? Oh no, we gotta redo this.
Yeah, drop it back down.
Second take, do a second take on it.
That's gonna be a big fucking fish. Just let it out, guys.
Oh no, this is
Oh, it's a big blue.
Oh,
You want to hand me the gaff?
I've never seen a blue that fucking big. Are you kidding me?
Wow, wow.
That's a gator. He's got a gator.
Is it running that way? Get up and over him.
He's on there.
Up, under. Nice. That might even keep. Hit the slack. Yeah, baby. There you go. Right there. Here. Joey, him up.
Still on there?
No.
Dropped him?
Bigger net.
No, that one's sold. That one's got fucking
mangled. Let's go. Sneak in.
One of the bows can catch him.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
If you feel him on your line, just let slack out.
It's going to be a nice one. It's the right fish. There it is. Nice fish.
Fucking monkey, what do you got?
Yeah, Vinny's got a
Yes. All right. Head first. Just come on. I got about it. You want me to get it, please? I got it.
Way to go, hooked up.
Nice fuego. Nice fish, baby.
It's Tommy.
That's a nice one, baby. Woo, baby, let's go!
Yeah, buddy. That's a nice one, too.
Doesn't suck. Does not suck.
Here's 38. Woo!
38.
That was bottom. Nice one, Vin.
Can't tighten up anymore.
Watch your. Oh, are you already in them?
No, I'm not in. I'm not in.
Come on.
This is why we do it, Vin. Enjoy that. Enjoy it, Vinny.
Dogging them.
Nice, Vinny.
Let's go. Nice fish, Ben. Come on, Ben.
Good job, man.
Get it, Daddy. Boy, they are choking it. Oh.
Get his picture.
Yeah, he's 35. Got it? You just need to wait?
Yeah.
All right.
That's how you're supposed to let him go. Head
Let's go.
Let's go!
Is that on your jig?
Go.
Let's go, Willie! Come on, Salvo! Mamacita!
Eating your drag.
Oh, she's angry.
Pissed.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Hold on.
That's a nice one. That's a
You
nice
said
one,
no?
Daddy. Right in.
Good job,
Let's fucking
Tom.
go, baby.
Crank it, don't yank it.
Woo! You got a chunky mama.
Let's go, baby.
Go!
Perfect hook set, too.
Look what I caught, baby! Vinny, look what I got! Let's fucking go!
All right.
You don't even fit on the tape measure.
Salvo, can you keep that?
Let's go.
Can you keep the face pin so I can get a good measurement? That is 38 and a half.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Dive him in.
Let's go.
Woo!
Let's go.
I needed that.
I must turn.
Grundens, stay dry. This is why my bibs are better than yours. Grundens, stay dry. Grundens, stay dry.
Link in the bio if you want to help out the GrubbZ and the J's of the world. All right, everybody, that sums up today's episode. We did get a couple more fish in the boat, but my ass unplugged this stupid thing somehow. I don't know how, either at the bottom here or there. It got slightly unplugged. So the rest of the video had zero audio. So I'm sorry about that. I know Vinny got the only slot of the day, which is pretty dope. Listen, folks, I got so much I want to share with you guys. We have a ton going on. I have a big surprise for you right behind us, but we're going to talk about that on another episode. I just want you to know that we're still doing striper charters up until October 14th when blackfish season starts. So if you guys do want to do some striper fishing, make sure you hit us up. The Gypsea charter is going to be linked down below. You got to make sure you book, because if we don't have enough people for the day, we just don't sail. So there's no walk-in type stuff like on the Island Current. So make sure if you guys do want to go on a striper trip, hit up the cat and book now. And then after October 14th, it is going to be blackfish season, and we are going to be going hard. So make sure you book some trips with us. We're going to have some fun. One more thing. We just got our code back from Grundens, so if you guys do want to help support the channel, I do make commission on everything you guys get at grundens.com. So make sure you guys use the link down below. That's what really gets me the commission, is if you use my link. Go on to grundens.com and use the code GrubbZ20, and you'll save yourself some money and make me a couple bucks. A couple weeks ago, Grundens did just send me 2 new pairs of bibs. I got a new pair of Hercules, which I've used before. They're phenomenal bibs. But the new Neptune, with the freaking protector stuff all over it, I'd have to like look up exactly what it's called. These bibs are freaking phenomenal. Easily my favorite bibs I've ever owned so far. We're gonna really put them to the test, as we put everything to the test, because we work our asses off every day on the water. And you know, we do not try and like, you know, sugarcoat stuff at all. If things are not great, you'll know. But these bibs so far have been freaking unbelievable, and let's see how they do throughout the winter season. Guys, super freaking stoked to tell you about our new adventure, but that's in a later video. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. Check out the Grundens link and hit up the Gypsea. Hopefully we see you out on the water. I can't thank you guys enough for the continued support. So thankful you guys are still here watching these videos, even though I haven't been putting crap out. But like I said before, we got everything set, and now we're recording again. It's not going to be as frequent as it once was, but who knows, maybe this winter we really dive into it, because we're going to have a lot more time. Also, our carp videos again are at Carp Angler TV, so that is linked in the description as well. So if you do enjoy those carp videos, you can check them out there. Thank you guys. Fish on.